Welcome to Start Autoz Time. Today, we take you into the world of absolute refinement, cutting-edge technology, and South Korean luxury that rivals the world's best. This is the 2025 Genesis G90, a car that doesn't just aim to compete with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, or Audi A8. It quietly redefines what a flagship sedan can be. If you thought Genesis was still climbing the ladder, think again. The G90 has arrived at the top, and it's here to stay. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 G90, it's clear this is not a car trying to hard it. Doesn't need to. It exudes grace, confidence, and bold elegance with its sleek proportions and commanding presence. The signature crest grille stretches wide at the front, flanked by Genesis' signature two-line LED headlights that pierce the air like a pair of laser eyes. The seamless clamshell hood design creates a smooth transition from the front grille all the way to the windshield, giving the car a modern sculpture-like appearance. The long, low silhouette is matched with bold chrome detailing and aerodynamic curves that make it as graceful as it is powerful. Sitting on 21-inch alloy wheels with a turbine-inspired design, the G90 is the kind of vehicle that makes a statement without screaming. Under the hood, the 2025 G90 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine as standard, pushing out a confident 375 horsepower and 391 pounds-ft of torque. But the real star is the optional 3.5-liter twin-turbo with an electric supercharger, delivering an enhanced 409 horsepower for those who crave more thrust. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the G90 handles not just with luxury, but with precision. It glides on the road thanks to a sophisticated air suspension system that adjusts in real time, providing the perfect balance between comfort and control. Whether you're cruising through city streets or devouring highway miles, the G90 delivers an experience that's effortless, composed, and deeply satisfying. Step inside, and the G90 reveals its true character. This is where Genesis has gone. Above and beyond, the cabin is nothing short of a sanctuary. Every inch of the interior feels like it's been handcrafted by artisans with a deep understanding of both tradition and technology. From open-pore wood to Napa leather, real metal accents to a microfiber suede headliner. The materials aren't just premium, they're world-class. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, highlighted by a massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment screen. These seamlessly blend into one wide display that feels intuitive, responsive, and absolutely futuristic. But what truly sets the G90 apart is its focus on the rear seat experience. Because for many buyers of flagship sedans, it's not just about driving, it's about being driven. Rear passengers are treated to first-class seating with massage functions, power-adjustable recliners, heated and ventilated seats, and even leg rests for ultimate comfort. There are individual entertainment screens, ambient lighting, and an available fragrance system that diffuses premium scents into the cabin. Genesis calls it the mood curator, and it's no gimmick. It genuinely enhances the atmosphere by controlling lighting, sound, and even seat position based on your selected mood. Want to relax after a stressful day? Just press relax and let the car do the rest. When it comes to sound, Genesis partnered with Bang & Olufsen to create a 26-speaker 3D surround sound system. The result, pure audio bliss. Whether you're listening to jazz, classical, or a podcast, every note is crisp, every word clear. The G90 becomes a moving concert hall, a space where silence and sound coexist in perfect harmony. Technology continues to impress throughout. The G90, it features the latest version of Genesis infotainment interface, complete with over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice assistant that actually works. The G90 even comes with fingerprint recognition to personalize your settings and start the vehicle. Add to that a full suite of safety and driver assistance features: lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and Genesis highway driving assist. And what you have is a car that looks after you in every way possible. But it's not just the features and materials that matter. It's how everything in the G90 is integrated with thoughtfulness and precision. From the way the doors close silently with soft close technology to the active noise cancellation that keeps the cabin whisper quiet even at high speeds. Genesis has paid attention to the little things that make a big difference. The air suspension can lower itself automatically when you park to make entry and exit easier. The seats can adjust automatically to your ideal position based on your height and weight. The interior lights gently fade in and out instead of just turning on and off. It's details like these that show the G90 isn't just about being luxurious, it's about being human-centric. In a world where luxury often means excess, the 2025 Genesis G90 stands out by offering purposeful elegance. It's not trying to follow the Germans, it's setting its own path. It's a flagship sedan that feels like a personal retreat, a technology showcase, and a symbol of progress all in one. The G90 doesn't wear its luxury loudly, but when you experience it, you realize it doesn't have to. The quality speaks for itself. So, who is this car really for? It's for the individual who wants to experience true luxury without falling into the traditional patterns. It's for the executive who values silence over flash, who wants innovation without complication. It's for the driver who wants to glide instead of roar. And most of all, it's for the future, because the Genesis G90 is not just a step forward for Genesis. It's a giant leap for the luxury sedan segment. In the age of SUVs dominating the luxury market, the G90 reminds us why full-size sedans still matter. They're not just cars, they're experiences on wheels. And when you experience the 2025 Genesis G90, you begin to understand that true luxury isn't just about what's seen, it's about what's felt. It's in the calm of a quiet cabin, the way the leather feels under your fingertips, the subtle shift of the suspension as you glide over imperfect roads. This is where luxury lives. Not in badges or logos, but in the way a car makes you feel. And the G90, it makes you feel special every single time. Thanks for watching Start Autoz Time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most luxurious, powerful, and jaw-dropping vehicles. See you next time.